Hi guys. So we're gonna vlog today, I think, or maybe it'll just be like a vlog of many things going on, but I really wanted to share this with you today. JT and I are heading to Makawao, which is, where is it?
What?
Where is it, north?
Where we headed? Oh yeah, well we're headed basically to near Paia, North Shore, yeah.
Yeah, and so it's about like a 45-minute drive for us. And what's exciting is that we're gonna go to a sound healing event, I guess. And so it's at Lumeria, which is like this retreat center, and it's beautiful, and it has like all these like holistic classes. And so ours is like the sound bowl healing, and we actually met Amy at the farmer's market, or the swap meet.
Oh yeah, it was a swap meet.
Yeah, and she like does her own like natural makeup and lotion, and I really liked her. So yeah, so this is exciting. It's right before Halloween, and it's supposed to be like a cleansing, sound healing retreat. We've never done anything like this, but do you want to share about our experience in Boulder?
Oh yeah, so we were walking down Pearl Street in Boulder, what, a year or two ago?
Yeah.
And there was a store that was selling the Tibetan singing bowls.
Yeah.
And it was two people. It was a father and son from Mexico, I believe. And for some reason, the guy looked really familiar. He looked like a damn shaman. And it was funny, but like a normal guy, you know? And I remember this was the first time that I'd ever like had somebody who knew how to handle one of those instruments or whatever you call it. And we shut our eyes for a couple of minutes, and it was like borderline out-of-body experience. Just, I couldn't even tell like where the sounds were coming from or how they were moving. It was interesting. And so I'm excited to go tonight and see how this is, because this it sounds like it's going to be on a much larger scale and for a lot longer.
So what I'm excited about is, so it was really cool because that was literally only for like 2 minutes, and they like walked around us, and we felt like we opened our eyes and we're like, oh my gosh, and they did to me and the kids and JT. Great feeling. And so Amy was telling us about that. Her Instagram is called Aloha Heals. If you guys are interested, I really like her products too, which I need to buy some because I really like them. But anyways, she basically, in the Lumeria, there's like this little like room in the back. I'm gonna try to vlog, but anyways, yeah, so there's like huge like crystals, and then she has like these really big crystal healing singing bowls and everything, and she's gonna be
Is she the one doing it?
Yeah, her and another girl are gonna be doing it for like an hour and a half while we lay there in our mats with our pillows and our blankets. So we'll let you guys know how it is. I'm gonna try to maybe to vlog. I'll ask to see if we can vlog in there, but I don't know if you can.
It'd be cool if that hammocks to float in or something.
That would be cool,
you know,
yeah.
Just to like,
yeah. But until then, we're actually heading to, we left early and we're heading to Paia. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think that's right. We always say Paia, but people say Paia.
It could be Paia.
I don't know. But it's like this cute little like hippie granola Hawaiian town, and a lot of people like to visit it. It was also a contender of where we might have moved, but not really, because we have the kids. If it was just maybe me and JT,
yeah, I feel like, well, in Maui it all kind of blends too. It's 30 minutes here, 45 minutes there, so you know, we don't feel like we're without it. But it is a very cute, and everybody says it's probably the most concentrated area for like that crunchy granola, but it's not it's not like a poor crunchy granola. It's like a Hawaii. The grocery store, as a matter of fact, maybe we'll stop by, is so cute. You know, when you walk into that grocery store, like somewhere where it's, you know, like in Boulder, it has that certain smell, granola, like everything's just,
incense, not champa.
Yeah,
cookies,
it feels good.
Vegan cookies. No, just kidding.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But yeah, so we're gonna probably get something to eat, maybe a tea or coffee or something. He's starving. So and then we'll check in and take you guys with us, maybe. So. Oh
no, for sure. We're definitely gonna get some shots.
Yes. JT, Yay-T. Hello.
Hey.
Is
it recording? Can you see me? Okay guys, we're in Paia town, Maui, Hawaii. Perfect weather, the sun's setting. We're getting ready to do a little chakra alignment. Not sure which ones I need work on the most. Tabby can elaborate.
It's actually a cloudy day here, which is very rare, and we got rain, so it's kind of humid. That's kind of nice. Yeah. But yeah, we ate at what?
Some Mexican place at the corner. It was all right.
It was the corner of Baldwin and something. It's called El Barrigro or something like that, or something. I'll put a little clip in. I wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay,
people.
well.
Well, it's funny because when you like look up top 10 places to eat in Paia, that was one of them. But there's not really. I think there's only 10 restaurants
like, yeah,
here.
I was gonna say.
There's like 10 restaurants here, so it's kind
The
of.
grocery store was rated number 5, and it's pretty cool. We were talking about it.
The grocery store's cute, so like a little granola place, but.
Let's go to that other boutique real quick.
Oh, okay, yeah, and then we gotta go leave. But let me show you it real quick. The food was alright. I don't recommend it. It's called.
It's a very cute little town, though. Very hippie town.
Yeah.
Anyway. Oh, that's cute.
That's where we ate.
It's really popular. It's always.
I don't know
busy.
why. Yeah. Oh, probably because it's
You can get your calories, if anything. It'll get you down
get
the
your
road.
calories.
Thank you. Have a good day. Did you want to hit up that coffee shop?
What coffee shop?
I don't know. Did you
You're not gonna be able to. Are you gonna pee?
Probably
we're laying
fine,
down?
girl. After we dose. No, I'm just kidding. JKLOL. Oh, this is a really cute coffee shop. We'll have to redose on my espresso. You know that.
Yeah.
I got to re-ups.
Where's the store that we want to go to?
Which one?
Oh, it's up here.
Mahina?
JT wants to get me a cute little like dress.
Something cute.
Hippie dress, but I think we're gonna do it. Obviously, JT and I are gonna do a good video, like a nice cinematic one of this place.
Oh, for sure.
With JT's camera, but this is kind of just a sneak peek. And it is a gloomy day, and
but it's a very cute little town. Like tons of. It definitely feels like Hawaii and Maui. Lots, very colorful.
yeah, a lot of personalities out here.
This store we were walking on is called Alice in Hula Land. Remember that?
Oh, that's cute. We should go in and just see. What do you think?
Oh, I love it, and that's cute for you too.
Yeah. Oh, no worries. Alice in Hula Land. Let's go check it out. That's a cute dress, actually, right there.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
So this is a little testament of what Paia is like.
It's cute. Tabby's super granola. That's how you know you get down.
You're cute. Oh, did you push the button?
Yeah.
Okay.
This side too.
Lumeria. Ooh. And the parking lot will be in the gravel parking lot on the left. Yeah, there you go.
That's us.
Yes. We are here, and I'm gonna start filming on my phone because the camera's so like obvious. But we have our pillows, my robe, yoga mat, and then I don't know if you can see the
This is
views
super cute.
back here.
No, this is really fun.
Yeah, I don't know if I can film here because it is like a retreat. I guess it's like a wellness
Just go
retreat.
ahead.
But until they tell me to stop, I guess that's what I'll do.
This is fun.
Wow, I don't know where to go.
Do you know where we're
I have a map. You have to...
Oh, this is nice, huh?
I'm trying to go to the Yogashala area.
The what?
The Yogashala area?
I mean, this place is really just like a damn resort.
Oh, sorry. Wow. Okay, the Yogashala area. It's supposed to be in the back. Oh dear. Oh wow, this is cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute.
We can hang out here for a while. Can we come back while John's here?
Oh, look at this crystal. Okay. Oh, right there. There's a... Oh my goodness. This is like,
so much
heaven.
fun. This place is very gnarly.
This place is very spiritual.
It's massive. It feels like a 20,000 square foot, 100-year-old Hawaiian mansion.
Gosh. Would you like a house like this?
Dude, it's very chill.
So inside that green building back there was like all these mats and people laying down their mats and stuff, and then crystals and singing bowls, but out of privacy for them because people are trying to, I guess, heal or whatever. We're not gonna film. supposed to be your own personal, Okay, I have to film in Atlee's room. Thank you, Atlee, for letting me film in your room. Every single room is so loud and has like people cutting their grass and helicopters and stuff like that. So this was the best spot. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly come by and talk about the sound healing session that me and JT went to. Yeah, that was, it could have been so epic, and I'm so thankful that we were able to get the opportunity to do that. But for me, it wasn't as good as I wanted it to be, because it's like meditation where you have to like get out of your mind and get out of all the thoughts. And I couldn't stop focusing on my right hip hurting so bad. I somehow like pulled it, and it was hurting so bad laying on the floor. And so next time, I know, instead of a yoga mat, bring like some padding or something like that. So we were laying down for an hour in the same position, trying to like let go, but I couldn't stop thinking about my right hip. So now everything's fine. But Amy did say that like you hold a lot of emotions in your hips, so now things are a lot better. But as far as the experience goes, Lumeria is out of this world, so beautiful. In fact, they're actually selling their property, a commercial property, so I'll link it down below. You gotta check it out, it's so beautiful. And they hold like spiritual retreats there and stuff like that. But anyways, the sound healing, the portion of the music was incredible. There was this, like, they were playing the bowls and some chimes, and it felt like surround sound, like they were walking around and it was like warping around your head and in and out your ears. So that was pretty awesome. If I really could have just like let go and really meditated into it, I think I would have had a great time. JT really liked it, except for his right shoulder was hurting, so I have no idea what was going on there. But overall, it was a great experience. I definitely would do it again. And then next time, just come prepared, more padding, and you know, able to like relax more. But the meditation, the music, everything was just awesome. There was one lady who was actually she speaks light language, and so she I've never experienced light language in person, so it was a little creepy for me to be honest. And I know it's all positive energy, but I was like, it totally just sounded like, you know, a different language. So I'm just speaking from like, you know, a person that's very like dipping her toes into the spiritual world. So that was really interesting. She actually like laid her hands on JT's chest and started like saying some light healing stuff. I feel like it was definitely like energies were very good, but it was just like, it kind of just sounded very foreign to me. And I think that's what made me feel a little taken aback. But that was fun. But I would say out of the best experience ever was that I was able to meet a new friend, and she is so cool. I was actually like praying for like a friend like this, someone that, instead of like, normally I ask for like, you know, friends I can hang out with or like hike or, you know, do those adventures with. But this time I was like, I want to meet like a spiritual friend, like a friend that's like really into these, like, you know, just really into spirituality, not necessarily religion, but like the overall like everything spirituality, if you know what I mean. And so I met her, and like we totally hit it off, and then the husbands hit it off, and they're nearby. And then yeah, we've been trying to meet up, but because we had the fires and then Halloween and then Thanksgiving and everything, it never worked out. But hopefully we'll meet soon. But that was just such a blessing. So yeah, I just really wanted to touch base on what we thought about the sound healing, if you guys were interested. And yeah, really wanted to share the experience with you. If anything, definitely check out Lumeria for sure if you're in Maui. The most beautiful property ever, and very like soothing. Like, it just feels so good to be on that property. So alrighty, I'll see you later. Bye. I wanted to show you guys something really quickly. A lot of times when I send you guys, when I show you guys products or items, it's usually the company sends it to me and asks that I share my opinions or my thoughts with you guys, either on YouTube or on Instagram or something like that. But this time around, I really enjoy it when companies send like PR unboxings. Is that the right word? No, PR boxes, and basically they just send you their products. They don't ask to share their items. They don't say share it on stories, Instagram, YouTube. It's basically just them sharing the item with the person, the YouTuber or whatever. And so it's really nice. I actually got a product from Madison Reed. I don't think you're gonna be able to see like the box because it has my address, but it's this big purple box right here. I'm gonna put you a little bit lower. Can you kind of, yeah, so it's like this big purple box right here. It's such an awkward spot, guys, but I actually worked with Madison Reed. I don't know if you guys remember, but I worked with them 2 years ago when I had my black hair, and when I had really thick long black hair, and they did like a really natural balayage. I have it vlogged, and their products like have like, it's like a hair company for dyeing and for hair care, and basically they don't have all the chemicals that most companies have. It's like natural, and yeah, it's not bad for you, which is really nice because I can't stand the smell of dyes. So let me turn the camera around real quick because I want to show you what they send, and I'm only going to show you really quickly because because they never asked me to share it, and I actually don't know like if it's good or not, but let me just quickly let you see it. So I already kind of took everything out. So there's so much stuff in here, which is really cool. So yeah, that's what they have in here. Actually, some of it is for like colored treated hair, and my hair is not color treated. So this is for colorless conditioning hair mask. So anyways, I'll be able to use that. And then I have a shine reviving gloss. I'm going to use a lot of this on my daughter's hair because she says her hair is dry. It's a bond building conditioner, sulfate free. And then same thing, shampoo. This is Lightworks Bond Building Cleansing Treatment, strengthens highlighting hair. So I'll have to save this for another time because I do not have highlighted hair. But yeah, and then I have like these like hair treatments. Another hair treatment, a brush. This is, yeah. And then a wet hair, weak hair, color treated hair towel. So this is really cool. I mean, this is a color protecting smoothing cream, which rub on pump between hands, smooth onto tile dry or dry hair, focus on, oh cool. So yeah guys, I just really wanted to quickly show you guys that because I got sent all these items from Madison Reed, and I wanted to give a shout out to them. Even though they didn't even ask for anything in return, they just sent it to me. I wanted to do a shout out on my own, which is cool. So yeah, I will check in later, and thank you Madison Reed for just being cool and not expecting anything back.